Okay, so I don't really know anything about ENA, to be honest. So I've very briefly played this game, and I mean very briefly. And there's that goober up there. And there's this bed or door, I guess. So I don't really know how that works out, but whatever. Whoa, RTX lighting, 4K lighting. That's literally me, guys.
Hope you don't mind, but could you tell me
where the hell is the boss?
Let's arrange our next ambush at the scene. Could you point out the boss's location?
こっちだ。こっちこっち。こっちに来い。見ろ。あの島が見えるか？ボスはどうやらあそこに潜んでるらしいんだ。な。だがまずはこのスモークを消し去ることが先かもな。で、取引成立か？
That's the name of the game.
あんたは元いた場所に戻れ。そして受付を見つけるんだ。どうすれば
Alright, the receptionist.
ボスの元にたどり着けるのかを必ず聞くんだ。
That is most categorically doable.
Okay, let's get out of here. Looking for the receptionist. Ooh, fancy paper. Okay, receptionist. That's you, right? Yeah.
Did I catch you at an okay time? Bless you for your business.
Yeah, so I have no clue what any of that meant. Okay, let's get out of here again. Oh, hold up. Phone call.
ENA あんたの会話をつけてたよ忌々しいジーニーとドアについて聞いてたんだがね、もしあんたが探しに行くっていうんなら俺は一緒には行けないみたいだ。いたたたたたたたたた、いやこのスモークのせいで足が痛くってな。だからジーニーを見つけるのはあんた次第ってことになる。また連絡するよ。
Heal, heal, frog.
Ping me in some moments.
Alright, next job. And let's find each of the doors genies and convince them to turn off the smoke. Each of the doors genies. I believe this is a door over here. Is there anything else? I don't think so.
Let me shake your hand and collect your genius germs.
죄송해요. 제 업무표에 따르면 악수는 제가 하는 일에 포함되어 있지 않습니다.
Excuse me, what the actual fuck? Okay. Yeah, I have no clue what all that was about, but whatever. Let's go over here now. Ooh, another phone call.
変に思うかもしれないな。このドアのジーニーじゃないかと思うやつについて俺は何も聞いてないんだよ。なんだかどうも臭い気がするんだがね。ああ、くそにしてもここはナフタリン臭くてかなわんな。
Let's think on it. Gather info and ask questions. I will provide us with the factual truth about this Jeep.
えバスルームあんた急に何言ってんだまあいいや別にいたらいいんじゃないかただし仕事をサボるためにそこに留まったりはするなよその手口を俺はよく知ってる
Yeah, I still have no clue what that's all about. Oh. Okay. That is disturbing.
Greetings! I shall be happy to explain everything to you. One person can be in two places at once. Although, the magician does not have to be in two places at once. He can be in one place at one time. Because he would be lost in the other person's mind. I'm glad we understand each other.
What is this psychotic, like, conversation? What is going on?
I can see it in your eyes.
I'm here for our pending business with your
Your stupid boss! Firstly, I need to get more info on this pointless Jeep!
Ah, the bathroom. But of course, you are looking for it. That old witch is looking for it. Everyone these days is in search of the bathroom. Now, you didn't hear it from me, but the way to the entrance is... The way to enter the bathroom is through that giant orb you see in the sky past the bridge. But in order to reach it, we must create life itself. Now, go away, Anna, and get life. That shall be your quest today.
Okay, this is just insulting, to be honest. Oh, new job.
Let me do some research and get back to you.
Okay. Life is the secret tool needed to reach the giant orb in the sky, our most glorious bathroom. Someone out there has to have the missing ingredient. Believe me, Anna, when I say that witches carry enough supplies to create millions of lives. These are witches.
Say, you seem like an entity who loves overworking themselves. And we seem to share the same final destination. Kind of. Would you be so kind to help us find our friend? I'll reward your hard work with something that could be useful in that, business of yours you like so much.
Okay, new job. Let's see.
Horrible choice, but precise. Anyway, the last time we saw her, she said she'd ask for directions inside of Seal House.
Oh no! What if she's already bloodless inside there?
Don't you remember? We saw her heading out from there to the complete opposite direction.
Ah, settle down, ladies. Maybe someone gave her fake directions. That's your cue, Miss Ina.
Time to get to work.
Okay, opposite direction from Seal House. This seems pretty opposite to me.
Oh no, non un altro. Guarda, mia signora, non passerai. Possiedo questo ponte. L'ho acquistato stamattina.
I'm the anthology anomaly! Step back, jackpot!
Ehi, ascolta qui, cortigiana onesta. Ho appena vissuto il giorno peggiore della mia vita. Va bene? Ho combattuto 3 volte. No, 4. No, 5 volte. Mi sono lasciato con la mia ragazza. Ho ucciso mio fratello. E ora...
Oh.
Mi scuso, mia signora. Le cose non sono state le stesse per me da quando quella strega urlante ha attraversato il mio ponte!
Hey, pal! My sympathy is gonna cost you for every condolence.
Aspetta. Condoglianze? Mia signora pensa che mi piaccia tutto questo? Essere un accumulatore professionista non è uno scherzo. Hai qualche idea di quanto sia stressante questo lavoro? Ad esempio, hai mai fissato qualcosa così intensamente per 10 minuti all'improvviso? Diventa il tuo regalo preferito? Mi è successo al dannato obitorio. Era così vergognoso. Ok, guarda. Vedi quell'edificio distrutto e vedi quel gentiluomo là dentro? Quel giovane ha tenuto d'occhio le mie proprietà per tutto il tempo. Vuole sicuramente rubare le mie proprietà. Ma non è questo il punto. Voglio che smetta di guardarmi. Se trovi un modo per coprirgli gli occhi o qualcosa del genere, io farò... No, potrei darti la mia gratitudine. Qualunque cosa, non lo so.
Okay. New job.
Perfetto. Ora smetti di guardare le mie proprietà e vola via.
Yay! More fun stuff. Okay. Let's go up here. I'm so good at parkour. Oh my god. So disgusting. Find a way to block out those creepy eyes. Creepy eyes. Find a way to block out those creepy eyes. Alright.
Guys, wait! I'm not doing what you say I'm doing! I'm not doing anything! I'm not doing anything at all!
Mayonnaise. What is this? A special cream best used as a sleep mask. Relax and cover your eyeballs in absolute ovum. Okay. So, I need to get whatever that money was and give it to him, get the mayonnaise, and block that other person's eyes.
May I offer you a divestment opportunity?
Divestment? Are you making fun of my unemployment lives? I don't care! Don't care! Go away! What? You are ENA? You have a job?
It's more of a lifestyle. That's my destiny. What more could I do? God knows the rest.
Ew. I am nice to you, and this is the thanks I get?
Rude entities like you get punished for the sins of others.
Tell me! I'm joking! Fell for it, didn't you?
Miss, could you keep it down, please? The pizza guy is right here.
You know, I'm
What?
pretty good at organizing words. I should be the CEO of organizing events or something.
Okay, I don't think that benefited us at all. Where can I find this currency? Okay. Let's see, can you give me money?
That's inaccurate. Could you tell me everything you know about this G?
そんなヨタ話に興じてる暇はないのです。 バカタレがドアを開けっぱなしにしたせいでペットたちが消えてしまったのです。私のベイビーちゃん。
Babies or pets?
両方とも同じです。二つの存在、同じ人生。二つは魂の伴侶。それは4ついるのです。どうか見つけてくだされ。そうすればたんまり銭を使わしましょうぞ。目に。
Oh, okay. Money. That's what we need. So we need to find the pets.
あの子たちは私の家のカーペットを血で汚すことが好きなのです。この情報を使ってあなたの好きなように動いてみなされ。
I'll be right with you.
Okay. Pet finding time. They stain the carpet with blood, so let's follow the blood. Okay, that's one of them. Alright, let's see if we can find any more blood. Okay, there's blood over here, so... Over here. And went up here, okay. Any more blood trails? I can't tell if this is blood or not, but we'll see. I think it is. It looks like a weird sort of blood to me. Well, there it is. I don't think I'm making that. Oh, but this on the other hand, maybe. Oh, okay. Alright. I guess that led to nowhere. Down here, maybe? Follow the red blood. Yep, okay, that worked out. Tonight's dinner. I hope not tonight's dinner, that'd be kind of sad. Alright, one more to go. Let's see. Oh. Oh, let me take that. Taxi driver said. You know, the usual. Where else could blood be? It's over there, over there, over there, over here, I guess. I don't see anything, but I don't know. Yeah, I don't think there's anything over there. Is this path of... Oh, yes. Okay. There we go. Oh, that wasn't too hard. Just hiding. Let's go back over here. What the heck? Please do not eat your pets. Chocolates. Now I can go over here. I think the taxi driver is a little bit more active. Just a little bit. Now we can buy the mayonnaise.
With prices this low, you can't afford a lifetime to wait.
Ovum for the eyes. Okay, now we go over here. Block the eyes. Now we go over to this guy.
Oh, l'hai fatto da... Va bene, Rad. Cosa vuoi adesso? Pensavi davvero che ti avrei lasciato passare perché hai fatto una cattivazione? Ma non essere un idiota!
Oh. I guess I just follow the path. That does not look like a crane. Oh, there you are.
Oh, you aren't who I was expecting to see here. Did that kind young man from the bridge let you in too? What a gentleman. I hope he's having a good day.
Oh, for sure.
Anywho, I came here in search of the bathroom. I hope to clear my sins and have the truth revealed to me. But I couldn't reach it, and now, frankly, I'm stuck here. Could you find a way to send my corpse over to my relatives? They must be waiting for me at the square near Seal House. And be quick.
What?
I'll surely be dead before the day is over.
She's gonna die. One of her sisters... No, the missing witch was found on top of a building past the bridge. Find a way to get her back to her relatives. The crane. Right? That's what I'm thinking of. Yes. Oh. Oh, there you go. Now let's see what's happening over here.
I'm sorry. I got carried away and tripped hard.
Then why are you still alive? I was hoping to sing at your funeral.
It's not too late. I'll kill both you noisy birds with one damn stone.
Okay, it's settled. We'll visit the Purge event on a later date. For now, let's just head home.
You fools! Sponsor my demons! Feed me the cash!
Oopsies! But of course, clumsy me. Let me see. What goodies do I've got tucked away in my pocket?
I hope it's alive.
I found this thingamajig in a very faraway land while on holiday. Actually, I think it was ENA who gave it to me. I thought it'd make for an interesting ingredient, but sadly, I don't know a thing about recipes. I'm no shaman.
Oh, heavens. It's almost time for the evening eulogies. We better get rolling, ladies. Goodbye, Miss Aina.
Oh.
Bless you for your business.
A motherboard, okay. Shaman. Let's go back to that wizard.
May the gods forgive me for what I'm about to do. Hannah, step back!
Oh. Oh. What?
What had to be done was done, but what hadn't been done was done too. And now that it is done, it may be done again. Done, done, done.
Damn it! Shut up! You know, I don't even believe anything, but you're bleeding out some real bullshit here! You're a fluke!
Worry not. Trust me when I say sacrifices were made. Here's your reward, Anna. You birthed it.
Is that a life?
Fortunately, it is not fully grown yet. I'm afraid you may need to gather the rest of the
Oh
body
my
by
god.
sewing this head. But
That's...
those holes shouldn't be a problem for you to find around here. Now go, Anna! Reach that giant orb in the sky and be one with it. Now, it's your turn to go to the bathroom. Now, it's your turn to begin life anew! Possibly.
Bless you for your business.
Human board. Okay, let's see. What do you have to say? Oh dang. Oh. Okay. Okay. Oh. Okay, child. I don't really know anything about that. I don't know. I don't remember where I was seeing or the bones. Maybe over. I know there's one over there. So let me just go over there real quick. Oh wait. Okay. I don't know what that means. Oh, the wind's a little strong. Okay. What is this? Oh, okay. Did I make it to the bathroom? Is this a genie? Oh. Okay, of course we're getting a call now.
エナ、いつまでもたもたしてるんだ。ジーニーはどうした？まさかあんたまだバスルームにいるのか？あ、こら、そんなトイレをうろちょろするもんじゃない。恥ずかしいな。なんでそんなこと言うんだよ。いや、ちょっと待ってよ。あんたトイレで懺悔してるのかよ。ああ、もうこうなることぐらい予測しとくべきだった。
Oh. What's this?
Pardon me. My head hurts so much. Do you have any coffee? Any milk? Any bathroom? A giant bathroom. Ugh. It's not enough for this many bodies. I hate myself.
Okay. That's a bathroom, all right. Ooh. Okay. Oh. All right.
Hast thou seen that? Entities fighting each other for thy attention, creating a path to the correct hut for the sinful souls whom arrive to this unfortunate place. I know not which one to trust, which tells the truth. So tired I am of lies.
Okay, go this way. So I assume I just have to follow them. No. The blues first. Okay, it's pointed to this one. Yeah, okay, the blues are definitely lying. Let's point to this one, I think, maybe. Oh, it is, yeah. Yeah, I don't know what fell into the water, but whatever. I'm sure it's nothing.
Συγχώρεση είναι μόνο ένα δώρο που δεν μπορείς να
Dear Genie, or to whoever it may concern, my job is to do everything possible to find the boss, for he is our target today. The smoke is in the way of our business and must be eradicated at once.
Αυτός ο boss που ψάχνεις, γνωρίζεις το ιστορικό του, την οικογένειά του, το πρόσωπό του. Ακόμα και αν δεν μπορείς να απαντήσεις αυτές τις ερωτήσεις, φαίνεται να γνωρίζεις πολύ καλά ποια είναι αυτή η ονότητα. Παρά αυτή τη σιγουριά, το ότι εσύ και εγώ συζητάμε σε αυτό το μέρος λέει πολλά για την ανικανότητά σου να ολοκληρώσεις ένα τέτοιο έργο. Δυστυχώς, δεν υπάρχει πολύ παραπάνω που μπορώ να κάνω για σένα αυτή τη στιγμή. Επιλέγω να σου υπενθυμίσω ότι το μέρος που βρισκόμαστε είναι πολύ μακριά από την πραγματική φυσική σου μορφή. Ωστόσο, μπορεί να κάνω μία εξαίρεση για σήμερα. Άγγιξε τις αναμνήσεις μου. Επιτρέψε μου να σου δείξω μια πραγματικότητα όπου πέτυχες τις βαθύτερες πόθους σου.
Okay. That seems safe.
Θυμήσου ένα. Το μόνο που χρειάζεται είναι το σωστό μέρος και το σωστό φαγητό.
Okay. Ooh, another call.
なあ、頼むよ。もうバスルームのたわごとはたくさんだ。
The issue with the bathroom has been resolved. Our business with the boss is our next priority. He will be down the drain in no time.
何に降りるって笑えないぞ。適当なこと言ってごまかそうたってそうはいかないからな。あんたの仕事は何だっけ？いい加減に一気に仕事を片付けるのに集中するぞ。はあ、もう二度とバスルームの話をするなよ。
Agreed. Toilets are death traps.
ああ、そうだ、言い忘れてた。あんたが何をしたのか知らんが、その効果は確かに現れてるよ。あの嫌なスモークがだいぶ消えたんだ。ご苦労さんだったな、エナ。おかげで随分仕事が楽になったよ。だがひょっとするとまた別の窮地に立たされてるかもしれないぞ、エナ。ああ、まずい。こいつはピンチが繰り返されるぞ。
Ah, predicaments, huh? I'm good at those.
いいか、今あんたがいるところのドアが閉まろうとしてるらしい。そこに閉じ込められるかもしれないってことがわからないか。
Well, it's time to be that one drop inside that ocean full of opportunities. Am I right?
ああ、そうかそうか。あんたにはセールスの技とやらがあるんだったな。じゃああんた本当にやれるんだな。だから行ってきなさい。やれることは何でもやって戻ってくるんだ。
This is so confusing, I'm gonna be honest. I think something's slightly off. Oh, that's fun. Oh. Okay, credits. Skip the credits.
おい、専門外のことはよせ。みんな誤解するぞ。